Namaste friends, welcome back to pavitechzone. In this video, we will see how to start dialer with phone number. When you tap on any text view or any button view, it should take it to the mobile dialer with the given phone number. So let's get started. Open your Android Studio, click on New Project, Empty Activity, then click on Next. Provide the name for your project. So I will give it as Call Now. Keep the rest of the things as it is, then click on Finish. So as you can see, Call Now project is successfully loaded. Go to Activity Main, click on Split, remove the text view and give button view. Give the width as 150 dp and width as 60 dp and take the button to the center of the screen and align it to the center of the screen. Okay, now your button is placed at the center of the screen and provide the text to the button. Text, I will give it as call now and give the text size as 21 sp and I will give the ID for the button. So I will give it as call button. So now next go to main activity. So here we will find the ID for our button and we will set the on click listener activity. So private button, give it as button. So take your cursor on the button and click on import class. Now we will find the ID for our button. First we will find reference, then we will find the ID. So button, find view by ID, r dot id dot call button. Button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. So here we will provide the intent function. So intent intent equals to new intent intent dot action die. So intent dot set data and u URI bars and in double quote pass the mobile number. Make sure that you have entered the TEL colon and provide the number. Then start activity. So as we have created a button with the text call now, once we tap on the button, it should take to your phone dialer with the given phone number. So click on run button So your application has successfully launched in your device. So as now you can see here, your button is being displayed with the text call now. So if we click on it, it should take to the phone dialer. So I will click on the call now. As you can see, it is taking to your phone dialer with a given phone number. I will tap it again. It is taking to the phone dialer with the given phone number 11110000. We have given the same text in the button. So you can do it with another method also by using the text. There you can directly tap on the text. It will take it to your phone dialer. So for that, text view, text view with the 100 dp and with the width of 70 dp. So take the text view at the center of the screen, make the alignment, make it to the center of the screen. So give the text to the text view function. So I will give the text. So here we should provide our phone number itself. So I will give it as then text size 1 sp, and we should provide a property of auto link. There we should provide phone, and we should set links clickable as true. So once we tap on the text, it should take to the phone dialer. So we will check it. I will run the application again. I will click on run button. So grid will start building. Your app is being launched into your device. So as now we can see here, both the button and the text is displayed. And now I will click on the text button. It should take me to the phone dialer. Click on text. As you can see, it is taking me to the phone dialer with a given phone number 1010. So if we click on button, it is taking to the phone dialer with the given number. And if we click on number, it is directly taking to the phone dialer. So this was all about today's video, how to start the phone dialer with a given phone number. So if you are happy with my video, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.